Fried fish is on our bill of fare today. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. Trust me, you will love it here, okay? And I'm so sorry I'm talking like this. I have severe cold and please just enjoy my voice like that, okay? Yeah. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So I have with me here my tilapia fish. It has been cleaned already and removed all the intestine and everything. So I will just go ahead and then cut them into the sizes that I want, and then we can proceed. Should you want to know how to clean your tilapia, I have it on the channel or wherever you are watching me. Please just go ahead and go through the videos and then watch it for me. You will love it. So I divided it into 4 and I'm going to do the same thing to the other fish before we proceed. Thank you so much for your time. I don't take it for granted, okay? I'm so grateful. If you're a returning subscriber or follower, thank you so much for always spending some time with me. I am so grateful. Now, I am going to remove the grill from there, okay? Yes, I will remove that before we proceed with the frying or the cleaning. Even though they have cleaned it, but we have to clean it again very well because we do not know the hand that touched it or handled the fish. Please follow us on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and trust me, you'll love it. So I'm just going to remove that and then we can proceed. Thank you so much. We have our tree channel and the name is Recipe Goddess. So follow us on YouTube at Recipe Goddess for our recipes in tree. Should that is what you want, okay? And trust me, you will love it and you will fall in love with it, okay? I usually don't cut this part because that is the part I used to learn how to eat fish because it is very crunchy and that is the my favorite part. It is so good, okay? But I mean, I'm cutting it because my mom is around and the other day I saw her preparing the fish. I saw her cutting it, so I'm doing it her way today, and maybe another time I'm going to do it in my way, okay, so that we all enjoy anyway. So that is why I'm cutting it. So should you don't want to do so, you can just go ahead and leave it on like that, okay? Yeah, thank you so much for your time. Let me know how you also prepare your fish in the comment section so I can learn from you. But trust me, this is the easiest and the best way you can enjoy your fish, okay? Now I am just going behind camera and then finish cutting everything. When I am done with it, I will get back to you so that we can proceed with the process. Thank you so much. So now, welcome back. I'll just go ahead and then add my lemon juice to it and then wash it very well. I have washed it twice already behind camera, and after adding the lemon juice to it, I will go behind camera again and then wash it or clean it very well before I come back and then I show you the next thing we are supposed to do. I hope you understand. And please do not forget to like this video, leave me your comments, share to others, and I will be very grateful. So after I finished cleaning it behind camera, I added another lemon juice to it, allowed it to stay for a minute so that it will remove the fishy scent from the fish, okay? And after that, I strained the water from it. This is how it looks. So now I am just going to add my salt to the fish. Add enough salt to it, okay? At this moment, you can just smear the salt on the fish and then allow it to stay for some few minutes and then you fry it. You can either use your salt or your natural herbs and spice seasoning, and then allow it to stay for some time and then fry it. But I have tried that like just twice before, but I always prepare it the way we are going to do it today. So I decided to add some water to it, let it stay for at least 15 to 20 minutes, and then we can proceed. So I'm just going to leave this for the 20 minutes, and after the 20 minutes I'll be with you. Whilst it was almost time, I have my oil on fire. I'm just going to allow it to become hot, and then we can proceed. Now it is hot, so I will just go ahead and then fry my fish. So I coated the fish with my all-purpose flour. You can actually fry this without coating the fish, okay? But I decided to do it that way because that is how I want to do it today. And trust me, the outcome was absolutely beautiful and delicious. Trust me, you will love it. Now just make sure the fire is not too much. Allow it to do its own thing so that the inside can also fry perfectly. You know, the tilapia fish is very big, and when the fire is too much under it, the fish may not cook well, okay? So just allow it to do its own thing without giving it pressure. I was trying another way I can do my videos so that I will reduce the stress, but unfortunately it didn't turn out well for me. That is why today's video does not look that beautiful, so forgive me for that. It may look nice to you, but this is not how my videos always look like, okay? So forgive me for that. And now we have dropped almost everything. We are just going to wait. If the side is ready, we are going to flip it to the other side and then make sure we will remove it from the oil. Now this is where it has gotten to. I don't know why I make some of the videos, but I guess maybe I thought I was recording, but I did not record. Now it is ready. I will just remove it from the oil and then allow it to stay on the paper towel so that some of the oil can stream from it. Just pair this with any food of your choice and trust me, you will fall in love with it. Our fish is ready, and thank you so much for spending some time with me. So I come your way next time. Thank you so much, and please do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos, and also follow us on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and subscribe to our tree channel at Recipe Goddess. I will see you in the next one, and do well to eat healthy and take good care of yourself. Bye bye, and thank you once again.